If you've ever liked a CapCut template and then struggled to find it again later, this video is going to save you a lot of time. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find your liked content or saved templates on CapCut Desktop in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you regularly browse templates, save ideas for later, or want to come back to a design you liked before without searching all over again. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, launch CapCut Desktop on your PC and log into your official account. This is important because your liked and saved templates are tied to your account, so if you're signed out, your favorites may not appear. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. From there, click on Templates. This will take you into the CapCut template library where you can browse all the available designs. Now, once you're inside the template section, move your cursor to the top center of the screen, directly underneath the template search bar. Here you'll see a set of filter options that help you narrow down what you're looking for. To see your saved items, click the Favorites filter tab. As soon as you do that, CapCut will immediately load all of your previously saved, liked, and bookmarked templates in one place. This makes it much easier to revisit a template you used before or keep track of ideas you want to use later. If you don't see the template you expected right away, double check that you're logged into the same CapCut account where you originally saved it. That's one of the most common reasons people think their favorites are missing. Also, make sure you're in the templates area and not another section of the app, because the favorites filter only appears in the template browsing view. Once your liked templates are loaded, you can click any one of them to preview it, reuse it, or start editing right away. From there, you can continue building your video without having to search manually through hundreds of templates again. And that's it. Now you know how to find liked content or saved templates on CapCut Desktop in a fast and simple way. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.